Hello my dears, if your Smart TV Samsung isn't downloading any app, I'll show you how you can fix this problem easy and quickly. The first thing you need to do is scroll down until you find these options configurations or these app settings configurations inside the apps. After that, tap right here in app settings and it will show how many storage are using at the top right corner. Please check if your Samsung Smart TV is already full. If you wish, you can delete any app just tapping right here in the app you want to delete and scroll down until you find delete and tap in delete. And after that, you can try to make a download of any app. If this method is still not working, you can update your Smart TV. You just need to go in settings, the main settings configuration, at the left right corner at the bottom of the page, tap right here and tap again in all settings. When you tap in all settings, you just need to scroll down until you find support. In support, you need to tap in software update and tap right here in software update. And after that, you tap in update now. Wait for a few seconds. It will download the last update of your Smart TV and you just need to install the last configuration. And everything will be done and you can start to download any app after that. I hope I help you with this simple tutorial. Don't forget, my dears, if all this step by step don't work, you just need to turn it off your TV and after that push off the line, wait for 15 seconds and put it again and turn it on your TV and you will can download any apps you want. Don't forget, my dears, leave a comment down here, leave a like, share this content. If you want to help our channel grows up, you can donate any money to us. Tap right here in donate. Thank you, my dears. Until the next video, stay with God and see ya.